Right, just to be quick, here's my sear. See, I've burnt the end of it, touching it on the thing. It's only superficial. And I've just shaped the end, and that sits at the angle that I want the sear to project from the end of the bow. And then that's going in here. And the reason I've flanged the end is so that when I force it over this part, which will be soft, it will kind of lock it in place. So I won't need to glue it or anything, it'll just be like hard fixed in place. And I also made the end open enough to accept the end of the fiberglass rod. It does go in there with a little bit of encouragement. I need two hands to do it, but that's the reason why I've left it open. And so the next part is putting the fiberglass rod inside there, which is going to be interesting because I've got to heat this up to do it. Okay, that's part 3. There you go, I wiggled it on there. So the rod will just go up into there about an inch, and then there'll be my sears, and then I'll string it up. Hopefully we're good to go. Well, my bow was a bit of a failure, to be honest. I split the end of the PVC trying to get the sears into the rest of the bow. Overheated it and it split, which can happen. Now it's gone rock hard again. And not only that, but the the fiberglass tent poles I used as reinforcing rods were too thick. They are 11mm, and when I'd cut the broken bit of pipe off and readjusted and could no longer fit the sears and things, there was only about 4 foot of bow left, and it just wouldn't bend. The rods were too stiff, couldn't even string it. The string was 2 inches shorter than the bow, couldn't even get the string on it. When I did get the string on it, it was just like, it was so stiff I could draw it about 18 inches maximum. So anyway, I've got some more pipe coming next week, which is 1/2 inch pipe, and I'm going to try and make another one with just 1 rod in it because it's more flexible. 2 rods is just too stiff, so I have to conclude this video in part 4 next week. Anyway, that's part 3. Thanks very much for watching. Wouldn't even flex. I couldn't even bend it round my leg like a bow. Look. Just wouldn't flex at all. So anyway, try again. Just, this is like a little postscript to part 3. Today I made a successful bow, and that's going to be complete in part 4, so don't be demoralised and stay tuned, because the next bow I made, I can see it out there, I'm looking at it, don't know if you can see it. Anyway, a sneak preview. Went together much easier. It's got a much more sensible draw weight of about 55 pounds, and the next video is going to be much better, I guarantee you. So watch part 4, and I'll put links in the description below. That's my little video. Thanks very much for watching.